Hello everyone, my name is Michael, and when you're thinking about Chase credit cards, what probably comes to mind right away are the Chase Sapphire or Chase Freedom lineup. This includes cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, Chase Freedom Flex, Chase Freedom Unlimited, cards like that. But if you dig deeper, Chase actually has quite a bit more cards that you may have never heard of. And one of these cards is the Chase Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card. This is not the only Amazon credit card out there. There are other cards that are co-branded with other banks. Chase is the issuing bank for one of the Amazon credit cards. I don't want to spoil too much about this credit card, but as I will go into later, this card has recently had its sign-up bonus increased, which is pretty good by itself. But this card also has another unique twist to its sign-up bonus, which I will go over later. This is a credit card where you are able to receive 5% cash back, like the Chase Freedom Flex. But the conditions that permit you to receive the 5% cash back are not the same. So, with this card, there are no quarterly rotating categories that give you 5% cash back on specific categories every 3 months of the year. And it might not be very surprising given by the name of this card, but this card can give you 5% cash back on Amazon purchases. If you do a lot of spending on Amazon and are just overall solidified into the Amazon ecosystem, you might want to consider applying for this card, because the cashback does add up. If you are an Amazon Prime member as well, then you should definitely consider applying for this card, because you are only able to receive that 5% cashback if you are an Amazon Prime member. If you are not an Amazon Prime member, you can still receive cashback on Amazon purchases, but instead of it being 5%, you will only receive 3% cashback. However, the 5% cashback on Amazon purchases is just the beginning, because it is not just Amazon.com where you are able to receive 5% cashback. You are also able to receive 5% cashback at Whole Foods. And just like Amazon, this is something where you have to be an Amazon Prime member to take advantage of. Otherwise, you can still receive 3% cashback. If you are a Prime member, Amazon may also offer you special promotions where you can receive bonus cashback, like 10%, for example. Regardless of whether or not you are an Amazon Prime member, you can also receive 2% cashback at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, as well as 1% cashback on all other purchases. As I mentioned earlier, the sign-up bonus for this credit card was recently increased. So, what is it? As always, I need to give a disclaimer. This is the sign-up bonus for this credit card at the time of me recording this video. By the time you're watching this video, this sign-up bonus may no longer be available, so please be aware of that. Right now, the current sign-up bonus for the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card is a $200 Amazon gift card if you are a member of Amazon Prime, or a $100 Amazon gift card if you are not a member of Amazon Prime. A $200 Amazon gift card is not special in of itself, but the aspect to the sign-up bonus which is special is that you do not have to meet a minimum spend requirement in order to receive the gift card. You receive the gift card when you are accepted for the credit card, and you don't have to spend anything to receive it, which is very great in the realm of credit card sign-up bonuses. Usually, in order to receive a sign-up bonus, you have to do something. It depends on the credit card, of course, but you usually have to put a specific amount of spend on the card within the first 3 months or however longer of card membership. But you don't even have to do that. This is Amazon literally giving you a $200 gift card for free without having to do anything, which if you already shop at Amazon is very great, because you can use that to offset any Amazon products that you were going to purchase anyway. And you'll also be improving your credit score by having this card open. So really, as long as this card doesn't influence your spending habits, this is not a bad card to consider applying for. And I'd even say that if you are an Amazon Prime member, it almost makes no sense not to consider applying for this credit card, especially since this card does not have an annual fee, there is no earnings cap, there's no foreign transaction fee, And because this card has the Visa signature branding, you will also be eligible to receive the benefits that come with that, like the auto rental collision damage waiver, which provides collision and theft coverage on auto rentals. And even if you're not an Amazon Prime member, but you still do shop at Amazon, then I think this card is still worth considering applying for. Because the $100 gift card is better than nothing, you get a different card design than the Prime version, and the 3% earning rate is not terrible at all. Another neat twist to this credit card is that it's made out of metal. You might not care about that, but it does help out with the longevity of this credit card, which means you won't have to replace it as often as you would with a plastic card. This card does earn rewards points, but they are not ultimate rewards points like you would find on the Chase Sapphire and Chase Freedom lineup. These are a separate system of rewards points, simply called Amazon rewards points. So you will not be able to transfer ultimate rewards points to this card. So please keep that in mind. If you are interested in applying for this credit card, I will have a link down below in the description. That is it for this video, everyone. Let me know down below if you would apply for this credit card. I am curious. Thank you so much for watching.